It's going up to the right there. Look. Trees there. But that one.
Hooray, hooray, hooray to the little ones. Oh, they're shouting out. They must eat in a long grass then. Raced away and eaten a long grass. And look, it's taken 2 days to find them. Two out of 10 left. Can you see?
On aurait pu même aller couper les pots. N'empêche que le lion moribond, quand j'étais il marche, il n'y a que sur 3 pattes. Pas une gazelle.